Ever find yourself locked in a seemingly endless battle with belly fat? Well, what if there was a powerful elixir you could whip up right in your own kitchen? This ultimate belly fat burner drink harnesses the power of nature's most potent ingredients to aid in your weight loss journey. Imagine a base of green tea, a veritable powerhouse of antioxidants, supercharging your metabolism and torching fat cells. Next, a dash of lemon zest, not just for a refreshing tang, but also to enhance the absorption of the green tea's catechins and bolster your immune system. And how about a sprinkle of freshly grated ginger? This humble root packs a punch with its thermogenic properties, helping your body burn calories even while at rest. Cinnamon is another secret weapon in our arsenal. This familiar spice does more than just add a comforting warmth. It also helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing excess insulin release and subsequent fat storage. Now a twist in the plot, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. This trendy ingredient is known for its appetite controlling and fat breakdown properties. Then we dial up the heat with a pinch of cayenne pepper. Capsaicin, the compound that gives cayenne its fiery kick, not only revs up your metabolism, but also helps curb your appetite. A touch of mint adds a refreshing note and aids digestion, while water ensures you stay hydrated and supports your metabolic processes. And to satisfy your sweet tooth without the added calories, a dash of stevia, a natural calorie-free sweetener. Finally, consider supercharging your drink with optional superfoods like chia seeds or flax seeds for an extra dose of nutrients. Incorporating this ultimate belly fat burner drink into your daily routine could be the flavorful twist you need to kickstart your weight loss journey. But remember, it's not a magic potion. A balanced diet and regular exercise are still key, and as always, before making significant changes to your diet, consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Here's to a healthier, more vibrant you.